Another kind of problem that must be very important in gaming is having things be low latency.
Yeah.
Like people are playing games online with other people all over the world, and milliseconds matter. Like
Yes.
when somebody's sniping you in Call of Duty, or you see that grenade fly into the room or whatever, you need to be able to react and have those reactions uh, computed
Yes.
instantaneously and spread around the world. So, yeah, are you able to elaborate a little bit on that and tell us like what kinds of roles enable this kind of super low latency optimal gaming experience?
For sure. Yeah, this is such an interesting area for me because we hire so many online engineers. And I've been looking at the space recently and thinking, it used to be that like networking, online engineering, network protocols was like a cool space people wanted to go into. And then I think in the last probably 10 years, that's shifted a little bit because it's no longer in vogue. People felt like, all the problems that needed to get solved with the internet have been solved for the most part. We understand how to handle networking protocols, and everything here is good to go. And I think now with the renewed importance for online games, that rely on the
Mm,
backbone of the internet in order to be able to perform, like you just said, and
mhm,
how games, what players want and what I want as a player is for games to just keep getting bigger and bigger, right? To me, the most fun I have is knowing I'm in a lobby with 150 other real people from all over the world, right?
right.
And we're like experiencing something together. And I think that's really incredible. But the only thing that makes that possible are the people who are working on our online engineering and online networking. And it is such a hot field now that's going to keep getting bigger. So if this is an area that you're interested in getting into and you're excited to figure out like what makes the games you play possible, I'd say that this is an awesome place to start spending your energy. Um, and the same thing for data science, right? Like I thought I knew how to write optimized code, specifically SQL. Like I thought I could write something that would run pretty quickly. And let
Mhm,
me tell you the mistakes that I have made in just not understanding exactly how SQL evaluates, exactly how PySpark is going to work behind the scenes to make something
mm,
even faster,
mm,
exactly how to store my data so that you can retrieve it really quickly.
mhm.
Um, I have learned a lot in the pursuit of getting things done quickly.
That is super interesting. And you have opened my mind just now to a whole new career title. I was not aware of the title online engineer.
Yeah. Yes. We specifically hire online engineers. I work with a lot of them every single day. They're my favorite people. If you think you have the chops, always looking.
Cool. There you go. And another thing that could potentially be interesting real time in a video game. So, in addition to obviously having to have everything be super low latency for humans to be interacting with each other, are there elements where we need to have machine learning happening in real time?
Yes, 100%.
Mm,
I think that there were some big companies that really like pioneered this, right? Trying to get us to the forefront of how you would actually do machine learning in real time. Um, and have been pushing the boundaries, luckily for people like me who came after, right? Trying to use things like Kafka streaming and figuring out like what exactly does this look like. And yes, I would say that the more that we need to focus on making decisions as quickly as possible, whether that looks like recommending an advertisement to someone or making a decision in a game about something that needs to happen or is happening, the more focus we need to get on quick models that can have a quick turnaround, right?